Smart contracts explained in 1 minute. Smart contracts are programs that map a business logic and are executed on the blockchain. Since these are on the blockchain and completely digital, they can be executed automatically. As soon as all defined rules in the smart contract are fulfilled, the smart contract is executed. This execution cannot be interrupted or stopped. This results in an if-then principle. The smart contract receives information and checks it. If the corresponding data is correct, an action is triggered. A practical example of this is a transfer trade. Only when both parties have released their assets they can be exchanged. These conditions are validated by the smart contract, thus a counterparty risk can be excluded. These programmed contracts bring some advantages. Because the contracts are digital and part of the blockchain, it is fast-moving and decentralized. There's no need for a third party being involved, and the execution of the contract is a lot safer. A point to consider is that the smart contracts are not yet anchored in the law system. Sometimes it can also be the case that an error occurs on the code. It will take a bit more time and development for smart contracts to experience the whole benefits.